Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to transfer your currency on Coinbase application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Coinbase application on your phone. Of course, if you don't have that on your phone, you would like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go actually and open the application, then click at Getting Started to create your account. Of course, if it's your first time opening the application or you don't have an account, you would like to follow the steps how to create your account, or if you get confused or anything, you can just go and check one of our videos on how to create your account. So let me just go and open my application here to follow this tutorial steps correctly, of course. So let's just wait for the application until it loads, and here you are. That will actually be your home or your main screen on the application. So if you want to transfer your currency on Coinbase application, first of all, just go to your assets. For you, you'll have here your currencies that you have. For me, I have 0 on my main currency on this application. Of course, if you have other currencies, it will all appear here. And let's say as an example, you want to change your currency or to transfer your currency, as we said. Simply just go and click on the trade here. So from here, as you can see, we have like a lot of cryptocurrencies here. So you have the top assets, top movers, the new on Coinbase. Like from here, choose whatever you want. So this is an example of this Polygon. This is an example you want to trade with that. So all you need to do, just go and hit the transfer button, then choose. As you can see, my balance is 0. Even if I click transfer, I'll not be able to buy or sell. But for you, if you want to change your currency to or transfer your currency, just go and click at this transfer here. Buy or sell. Maybe if you own Polygon, you want to change it to another currency, you would like to click at sell. If you want to buy it, just click at buy. Enter the amount that you want to buy or you want to sell, then review your order or your transfer before submitting, of course. Then submit and you'll be good to go. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.